Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about stocks. Straight to the point. If you don't want to watch the complete video, click the link in the description below to get your 15 free stocks by referring 3 people. If you don't refer 3 people, you refer just 1, you're going to get like 2 stocks. If you refer 2, you're going to get additional 4 stocks, and so on and so forth, and that's how you're going to end up with 15 stocks. So the promotion is only good till the 15th of October. So that being said, guys, watch the video. Lots of helpful tips in this video, and there's some goodies around the 5-minute line and the 9-minute line, just in case you want to catch those. Enjoy the video, guys. Guys, and welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm going to keep it simple and straight to the point. All the videos that I'm going to be uploading from now on, I want to kind of keep it straight to the point to make it easier to understand, and just to keep the topics a little bit separated. I've been already doing it for a while, but just letting you know. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get 15 free stocks. What do you get out of it? What do I get out of it? And I'm just going to keep things honest and simple. So here we go. I just got notified by Webull that they're running a promotion from, basically from the beginning of October the 1st through October the 15th, where by referring 3 friends, they get you free 15 stocks. Now, normally you get free stocks just by downloading the app and setting up your account. You get like 2 free stocks. So that was all, and this was kind of awesome, and I've gotten 3 free stocks, and friends that I referred gotten free stocks. So what a good deal. But to get 15 free stocks, that's quite amazing, because some of these stocks can be valued up to $2,000 a piece. Chances are you're not going to be getting $2,000 stocks, but what you will get is probably stocks that's valued around like $10, $15 a piece. And if it's just $10 a piece and you get 15 stocks, hey, that's free $150. You might be wondering, well, how can you get something free? How does this thing really work? And I don't blame you. A lot of times when they say, which is kind of true, but not in this case, that if it sounds too good to be true, then it is. Well, let me assure you that this is actually very, very, very simple. I've been trading with Webull now like pretty much all this year, okay? And the reason actually I signed up with Webull, I've seen one of these promotions. You get like 2 free stocks. Too bad there was none of my friends that actually referred me, but I actually watched the video just like this, and I clicked on their link and I actually signed up, and I got my free 2 stocks. So I could assure you, you do get them. So how do you get them? Do you have to spend any money on it? So here's how that works. You download Webull app, you set up your account. Just for that, you will get 1 free stock. As soon as you deposit $100, it transfers into your bank. Then you get another free stock. That's how it works. Simple as that. So the stock will then, you will get it. You will see what kind of stock that you're getting, but it's going to take like, I don't know, like a week, maybe 2 weeks for that stock actually to show up in your portfolio. So it's a good way for you to kind of get started, like with trading with Webull or any other platform, by getting like some free stocks. So you can keep those stocks, you can sell those stocks, you can do whatever you want with those stocks. It is up to you. But I think that this is such a great promotion. Anyways, let's continue. So how do you get the second free stock? Well, you got to deposit $100 in there. Do you get the $100 back? Do you get to, do you need to spend it? No, you don't. You put the $100 in. It's pretty much a bank. You put that money in there, nothing happens to it until you decide to do something with it. So what can you use that money for? Well, you can go ahead and buy some stocks for $100. Maybe there were some stocks that you were waiting to buy. Maybe now they're priced right because of this economy, type of situation. Maybe stocks actually valued higher. As a matter of fact, some stocks went up in price, actually, like almost like doubled in price, that I was trading earlier this year. So if I would have kept them, I would have made double my money. But I didn't. I sold. I still made money, and I always do when I buy and sell stocks. So anyways, if you feel that you don't want to be trading stocks because you're going to be losing money and stuff like that, and you just want to get a couple free stocks, that's fine. Wait till your stocks get into your account and they get in there, then if you want to go ahead and take your money out, you can do that. You can just basically transfer them back into your bank account. So that's how that works. I actually would like to own a big stock portfolio, and this is why I am making a video like this, because hey, I want my free, stocks, 15 stocks. So only the first 3 people that sign up, that's all I need to get the 15 free stocks. But anybody that signs up after the promotion will still get 2 free stocks, but this promotion might disappear to where they cannot refer any friends. By the way, if you sign up and if you refer some people, well, then you're going to be getting credit for those 15 stocks, not me. I have nothing to do with it. I would just make, my 15 stocks by referring the first 3 friends, and that's it. So whatever you end up doing, it is your thing. I'm not going to tell you, go find a bunch of people. No, that's not how it works. It's not like a pyramid scheme, So anyways, it's as simple as that, guys. So I really hope that you can do that. So now, if you stayed 5 minutes into the video, I will tell you this. To anybody that signs up basically by the October the 15th, the first 3 people that's gonna sign up by the October the 15th, okay? What I'm gonna do is, to those first 3 people, I will offer free consulting for 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. I normally charge $60 for my consulting, so I think it's fair to say that that is pretty fair. People paid me as much as $100 for consulting, and you might be wondering, well, what kind of consulting is this? Well, if you've been watching my channel for a while, for the last 5 years, you've been seeing that I have a lot of expedite content, I have a lot of sprinter content, and I help a lot of people out with, solving their sprinter issues or their expediting, type of, business strategies and stuff like that. So because I've been in a business for over 13 years, I'm actually still in the business, but it's quite different type of business model that I'm doing. But anyways, that being said, a lot of people find a lot of value in my consulting, whether it's sprinter related or expedite related. And if you're one of those people that wanted to talk to me for a while and ask me questions that you were hoping, to find answers to, well, now's your chance. Just click on the link that's in the description below. I should have probably started out with that, but I need to update the video now. But there's a link in the description below. You're gonna need to click that link, and that's how you basically sign up with Webull. So if you're just gonna go and sign up like a regular way, you're gonna go find Webull app and download it. Well, I'm not gonna get any credit for it, and like, what's the point? You're not gonna get any credit for it either. Only through the referral, you get 2 free stocks. The person that referred you gets 2 free stocks, and that's just how it works. That's how it always worked. So anyways, if you're wanting to basically get my consulting and get free stocks, just click on that link below, go set up your account, deposit $100 in there. You're gonna get like a couple free stocks out of it. If you want to continue trading, the stocks, then, go ahead. If you don't want to, you can pull the money out as soon as the stocks clear and they go into your account. So this is 100% real. This works. Not only Webull offers these type of things, but others do as well. But Webull has like the best ones. I have a bunch of trading platforms that I use, and I'll talk about them later, but I'm trying to keep things straight into the point in this video about that. So you might be wondering, like, what I've been doing, guys. Well, that's what I'm doing. Like, I'm trading stocks, and I'm doing a lot of other things, and I'm keeping it simple in this video and talking about stocks, because right now it's probably never been a better time to get into the to the stocks. And I'm not saying that you're gonna get a good deal on everything, but man, there's certainly some good deals out there. And to my surprise, the stock market actually went up instead of going down. So there's definitely a lot of opportunities for somebody that's trying to get into the stock market to actually take advantage of and earn some money. But like always, keep in mind, stock market is volatile, and you could 100% lose all your money, and you don't know what the heck you're doing. So make sure you do your research and do your due diligence. Don't just like willy-nilly just throw money around, because that's just not how it works. If you don't know what you're doing, well, like there's a saying that if you don't have experience and you have money that, and the person that you're dealing with has no money but has experience, he's gonna end up with your money and you're gonna end up with the experience. It's not exactly how it's said, but that's exactly what it means. So that's exactly what it means. So anyways, that is that. So I hope you guys will do that. So now you pretty much stayed into 9 minutes of this video. So from this time on, I will tell you this, okay? If you're watching this video right now and the promotion has expired, here's what I'm gonna do. If you go up there and you sign up for, click on my link, of course, and you get Webull, and of course I'm gonna get notified if you did or not. Like, I'm gonna see the person that signed up, like a friend and stuff. So if you did that, even after promotion, and of course you're still gonna get like 2 free stocks, and I'm probably gonna get some kind of credit for it. I sure hope I will. But that being said, I'm probably gonna make like $10 on it. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna offer free consulting for 10 minutes, even if after the promotion expires. And this is gonna be just good for 2020. We don't have a lot of time left, but this is just for 2020, because chances are my consulting prices is going to go up, and not because I'm a big ripoff and I just want to make a bunch of money from people. I love making money, but here's the thing. A lot of people are asking for my consulting, and this is why, I have very little time to do anything else. And you've been seeing, very few videos being uploaded, because I'm just very busy right now, guys, and I don't really have a lot of time to upload. But that being said, I have over 900 videos on my channel, so there's plenty of things for you to watch. So now when I make a video, I just want to make a video straight to the point and go from there. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. God bless you, and see you guys in my next video. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, since I am not uploading every single day now, it's probably a good time to not only subscribe, but hit a bell notification, because you will be notified when my next video is coming out, because I no longer do daily uploads. It's just too much work for me, and I have other work that I'm doing, which is taking up all my time. So that being said, guys, God bless you, take care of yourself, and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.